best part about this tool is it's been learning from itself as the number of samples increases. It is going to retain all the memory, do the average population score, including the Framingham score, score 2, polygenic risk score, and imaging products. And this is a AI tool which itself is learning from the data we've been providing to it. Interestingly, it's open, it's easy to use, it's like a very normal thing. If you will see, these are the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 till date. I have used 7 different tools with 7 different values to train it, and with time it has a capacity to use thousand samples, make a population score, make an archive of it, take the memory of it, and then again use the another 1000, combine those 2000 score and keep on learning with itself, and it will help clinicians to get a good clinical decision support system. And you can, if you want to provide the report in the form of PDF, it is opening as a PDF, and you can simply take a printout or whatever with the requirement you have. We have the provision, like in this beta model, we have the provision. We have not given the provision of any JSON or to include it any app, but we have the provision, and it's really interesting. And I think it's a need of in the art to include the genomics, to include the lifestyle factors, to include the genetic factors, like the inheritance factor, your biochemical test, everything. And the best part is your genetics never change, and you can use a genetic test for one time. Like you don't have, it's a lifetime cost-effective test. You have your genetic data once for all, and you can keep on getting your biochemical data based on your regular surveillance. Put it on the same system, upload the same VCF which you have get from any company. I must say any company. It has the capacity to get upload the VCF from any array, any real-time thing, any research point of view, in using whole genome, whole exome, depending upon whatever be the kind of platform you have used to make the PRS or the VCF. It accepts everything, and you have a full profile score. This is telling that this person is at a actually it's a quartile based. It is showing that out of 100, there are 37.4% of the individuals with a similar risk profile. Approximately, it means 37%, approximately 30%. You are among the top 37% who are expected to have a heart attack or a stroke in the next 10 years. This is a high risk finding, and you being able to get a 10-year cardiovascular risk event using this tool. So I hope you like it, and I'll be happy to provide you any kind of things related to it. I'm going to upload it on my YouTube channel. You can access this. You can revert back or make queries related to the tool to varungenomics@gmail.com, and keep on supporting me. Thank you.